Ladies and gentlemen, you and I are the main reason why the future is bright.
Gandhi once said, "Many people, especially ignorant people, will want to punish you for speaking the truth, for being correct, for being you." The world has changed terrifyingly with years. There's now
Teenagers have ideas, aspirations, hopes to beat world records, plans to heal the world.
Don't do anything to please others. This will not make you happy, and this is not the right way of doing things. This is the easy way, and this can only lead you to disaster.
Ladies and gentlemen, in an ideal world, men and women should have equal rights and opportunities to do whatever they set their mind to.
An ideal world? Well, of course, we can only live in an ideal world if the world itself, our planet.
Then it struck me, J.K. Rowling is not going to come here to write my story. If I want to write my story myself, I have to write it myself.
Well, the key thing overall is you have to keep this window, this square window, active. Whether people are watching on a phone or whether they're watching on a screen, this needs to be active to keep them engaged.
We all do it. A lot of people use the and the when they're thinking. So when we're using those words, it's because our brain's trying to catch up with what we're going to say next. So it's kind of a way of trying to fool the audience into thinking that we know what we're going to say next.
Where you go in and see yourself in your head, going in and loving the situation, seeing yourself confident, shoulders back, going and talking to you, feeling calm, or going to the exam, writing, pouring out of your pen, brilliant, this, you look at it and think, wow, did I write that? You know, it's almost like what you've got to do is realise, because your imagination, your memory are very closely linked to the brain.
I want to give people the confidence that not only can they live their best, most inspired life, but that they can share their message and have the confidence to really make the biggest positive impact in the world that